I had a fantastic time in Verona with Vanessa today, but at dinner time I decided to head north to Lago di Iseo, little community by a lake on the way to Lake Como. From here you can actually go either to Lake Como or go to the Dolomites. And managed to get a collaboration with an Airbnb, really beautiful, and has a restaurant next to it, a pizzeria, which is where I am right now. So I'm waiting for my dinner, and tomorrow I will head to Lake Como, and I will meet again with Vanessa either tomorrow or the day after. I left Verona yesterday, but I wanted to go off the city and go back into the countryside of Italy. So I ended up at Lago di Iseo, Iseo Lake, where there's a island behind me, and as you can see up here there's a church. And Elisa, the owner of the Airbnb and the restaurant where I was, said that I really should come back and hike to that church. So I am planning on coming back on Sunday, hopefully, and according to the weather app, it's going to be nice and sunny, so I can't wait. I gotta go now.